Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your BMW X2 battery. We'll cover the various charging options, from standard household outlets to dedicated charging stations. It's important to know where your charging port is, usually on the left front side, and to use the correct Type 2 connector. Having the right equipment ensures efficient and safe charging for your vehicle, keeping you on the road with confidence. Level 1 charging is the most accessible option, utilizing a standard 120-volt household outlet. While it's the slowest method, adding about 3 to 5 miles of range per hour, it's perfect for overnight charging or when you don't have access to a dedicated charger. Every BMW plug-in vehicle typically includes a portable charger for this purpose, offering convenient backup charging almost anywhere. For faster and more efficient charging, Level 2 is your go-to. This method uses a 240-volt outlet, similar to those for large appliances, and can add 20 to 30 miles of range per hour. Many BMW X2 owners install a Level 2 charger at home, as it provides a full charge in about 4 to 8 hours. It's the ideal solution for daily commuters and regular use. When you're out and about, public charging networks offer great flexibility. Your BMW X2 uses a Type 2 connector, so ensure compatibility with the station. While the X2 xDrive 25E does not support rapid DC fast charging, Level 2 public chargers are widely available. Always follow the station's instructions for activation and safe disconnection. Planning your route with the My BMW app can help locate compatible stations easily.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.